Here we have a 2021 Toyota Sienna XLE hybrid. Comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a white color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, power locks, windows and mirrors, brown colored leather upholstery all throughout, power driver lumbar support. Let's hop on inside. Air vent on the left. Got your heated steering wheel, traction control, automatic headlights, digital gauge cluster dimming controls, your power doors for the rear, which we'll show you. We've got buttons to control what we're seeing in our digital gauge, Bluetooth controls, automatic headlights, adaptive cruise control functions, forward collision alert, rain wiper controls there as well. Digital gauge. First thing is our safety features. Our lane tracing assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, as well as other vehicle settings like your power side doors and power back door, rear seat reminder, any warnings, digital speedometer, distance till empty, your odometer at the bottom there just over 105. Over audio playing, trip information. Coming to the infotainment with the source list here. Got AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB, and Bluetooth available. Want to get your phone via Bluetooth, do so via this screen. Got your projection settings on the right for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Setup pages, so your projection, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Just kind of scroll through stuff here. Other vehicle settings like customization, valet mode, climate controls. So you have front and rear climate control options as well. Down here, more climate control functions, dual zone, heated seats, the driver and the passenger. You've got a USB input up there, backup camera, your drive modes. So you got eco, normal, and sport. Your EV mode, auto hold, electronic park brake, 2 cup holders, 2 more cup holders, big center console, nice armrest here for the driver and the passenger, power tilt side sunroof with your power sunroof controls, your side door and rear power doors, interior lighting options, SOS button, and a rear view mirror. Let's take a look outside. At the front, have our LED headlights, gray and chrome finished grille, Toyota badge in the middle, silver alloy rims, hybrid badge, paint matching mirrors, chrome and paint matching door handles, rear tinted windows all around, beautiful tail lights, Sienna XLE hybrid badge here all along the rear. Let's open up the trunk. There's a power trunk, opens up automatically for us by the press of a button. 3 rows of seating, 2 in the front, 3 in the middle, 3 in the back, and these are the stow seats. Can't do it with just one hand, but those are the instructions. They stow in this deep little pocket right here if you need more space. Storage on the left there as well. Let's go take a look at the back seats. Come with the back seats with those automatic power doors like I mentioned, opens up nice and easy. All weather mats all throughout, tons of legroom and headroom. We've got 3 seats there in the middle, armrests for each person there, or each end person. USB inputs there as well, 2 cup holders, and you got your 3 more seats in the back there, their own cup holders and air vents in the back. That'll wrap it up for the 2021 Toyota Sienna XLE hybrid in a white color. If you guys have any questions or want to book a test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.